Welcome to Wild Colombia, a journey through biodiversity. Nestled at the northern tip of South America, Colombia is a land of astonishing variety. From the sunlit Caribbean coast to the misty peaks of the Andes, and from arid deserts to the lush Amazon rainforest, Colombia's landscapes form a living mosaic. Though it covers less than 1% of the world's land, it shelters nearly 10% of all known species. Here, brilliant birds, elusive mammals, and dazzling insects thrive in habitats shaped by mountains, rivers, and rain. Many of these creatures are found nowhere else on Earth. As peace opens new frontiers, scientists and explorers are uncovering species long hidden by geography and history. But this natural wealth is fragile. Protecting Colombia's wild heart is vital for the planet's future. Join us as we discover its wonders. Rising from Colombia's heartland, the Andes split into three mighty ranges, shaping a kingdom where clouds and mountains meet. Here, every climb and altitude reveals a new world. In the high Paramo, strange plants like the towering frailejones harvest mist from the air, feeding rivers that sustain millions below. The elusive spectacled bear roams these rocky slopes, while Andean condors soar overhead, their vast wings riding the mountain winds. Descend into the cloud forests, and you'll find orchids clinging to ancient branches, waterfalls hidden in mist, and the rare mountain tapir wandering among mossy trees. Lower still, vibrant foothills shelter dazzling poison dart frogs and a chorus of birds and monkeys. For Colombia's indigenous peoples, these mountains are sacred guardians of life. Today, conservation efforts strive to protect this breathtaking realm, ensuring the Andes remain a kingdom of clouds for generations to come. To the east of Colombia's Andes lies the Llanos, a vast expanse of grasslands that stretches into Venezuela. This region is defined by dramatic seasonal contrasts. Half the year, it bakes under a relentless sun. The other half, torrential rains flood the plains, transforming them into one of South America's richest wetlands. During the wet season, waters rise and spread across the savannas, creating countless lagoons. Capybaras, the world's largest rodents, gather in herds, grazing while keeping watch for predators. Spectacled caimans blend into muddy riverbanks, waiting for unsuspecting prey. The legendary giant anaconda glides silently through flooded grasses, powerful enough to subdue a capybara or even a young deer. Bird life flourishes here, with over 700 species recorded. Scarlet ibis and spoonbills wade through shallow waters, while jabiru storks and whistling ducks fill the skies. Jaguars and pumas stalk the plains, and even the rare giant river otter hunts in family groups, keeping the ecosystem in balance. Llaneros, Colombia's cowboys, have adapted their culture to these cycles, living in harmony with the land. Conservationists now work with ranchers to protect both wildlife and local traditions. Yet threats like oil exploration and climate change loom, making the protection of the Llanos more vital than ever. At Colombia's southern edge lies the Amazon, a rainforest so immense it covers nearly a third of the country. This vast wilderness is part of the largest rainforest on Earth, a realm of myths, mysteries, and extraordinary biodiversity, where rivers wind and trees reach skyward. Beneath the dense canopy, life thrives in every corner. Insects buzz, frogs croak, and monkeys swing through the branches. Squirrel monkeys chatter, while howler monkeys roar at dawn. Jaguars move silently in the shadows, and the pink river dolphin, sacred to indigenous cultures, glides through shimmering waters. Indigenous peoples like the Ticuna, Huitoto, and Bora call this forest home. Their traditions are deeply tied to the land, teaching respect for animals, trees, and rivers. For them, the Amazon is a living being to protect, not a resource to exploit. Scientists continue to discover new species, yet much remains unknown. The Amazon acts as a vital carbon sink, regulating the planet's climate. But illegal logging, mining, and climate change threaten this irreplaceable ecosystem, risking its wonders before they are fully understood. Protected areas and indigenous stewardship offer hope. Ecotourism and conservation unite communities, scientists, and travelers to safeguard this living heart. The Colombian Amazon's future depends on our respect, action, and awe for its wild, hidden beauty.